Here's what I would suggest. Talk to one of our attorneys out here and tell them you want a licensed restoration expert, and they'll refer you to an attorney that does a lot of licensed restorations. My experience with those attorneys are they'll talk to you for nothing.
The Sovereign Citizen.
Yes, sir. Burris, come on up. Are you going forward without an attorney today, sir? You've talked to the prosecutor? All right, let's see what the prosecutor sent me. All right, the prosecutor sent in a piece of paper that says you're going to plead guilty to one original charge, the possession of paraphernalia, one new charge, no operator's license on person, and I'm going to dismiss the two originals, drove while license suspended and the civil infraction speeding. Is that your deal? Did you read your rights form? Did you understand those rights and the options they give you? Do you understand the possible penalty for these charges? You understand if you plead guilty today to no valid operator's license on person, it is going to go on your record with Secretary of State, and that could trigger a suspension. You understand that? All right. And understanding all of this, are you still moving forward with the deal? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on April 8, 2026 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? All right. I'll accept your plea to the no operator's license on person. Dismiss the DWLS drove while license suspended. On that date, did you have something in your possession you should not have had? What'd you have? No. Don't tell me what they said. What did you have? Okay. Was it a crack pipe in your truck? Okay. Go ahead.
I get people around to work. I don't get out of my truck and go to my truck and check to make sure everything.
Yeah.
So when he said, when he found it, all my person back being the driver of the truck,
Yeah.
I am the one who's responsible.
You understand that?
I understand that.
No good deed goes unpunished. Yeah. All right. Where do you work at, sir?
I work on Harrison and on.
Yep. Okay. Full time. Good. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No.
No magic answer. Just giving you a chance to talk.
Well, after that, private teacher, so when I was going to be the great my wife's medicine. That was it. And I don't know, I understand that I didn't have a license, but she's been rendered disabled and she's not able to drive. She's not allowed to drive.
Okay.
Someone has to go and get it.
Yeah. What's going on with your license? What do you got to do?
I've paid everything on my license to get my license back. This has been years and I have been fighting and she said there's a few invested on my license part is they haven't dropped them.
Okay.
Everything's been paid and it's been years since I paid it, but it's still showing.
Well, there are some charges, even though you pay them, the suspension's still there.
Okay.
So hold on. For example, you can come to me, the court, pay my fines and costs, but if you still owe a reinstatement fee to Secretary of State, they won't put your license back on.
I paid on my rate.
Okay.
That's the thing.
You got to go back to see him then. Yeah.
I paid.
Yeah.
And I'll do that when I go to get my license. They said something about an old paper panel, and I'm like, "What's what? I don't."
A what?
know.
What they say something about a what? Okay. Were you originally suspended for drinking and driving?
No, I can never give you all my license. Ever. Ever.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's the thing. I don't understand why I do it. So that's what me and my wife.
Okay. Or, make an appointment, give you some advice. What you're going to have to do is go get your printout from Secretary of State, take it to that attorney and let them interpret it and tell you where you're at.
Right.
Right?
That's one thing I did do when I tried to get it back. I went and got a printout of everything that I.
Right. Right. But you got to take it to a licensed restoration expert. So you're going to get the information from Secretary of State. You're going to take that information to him so he or her, so they can interpret it and tell you where you're at.
Oh.
All right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome very much.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome. All right. So on the possession charge, I'm going to delay sentence for 6 months, stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. I'll reward your altruistic nature. I'm not going to get you as hard as I normally do on this. On that one, it's just going to be $200.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, don't thank me yet. I'm not done. All right, on the no operator's license on person, that one's $500 and 4 days on the court work program. Work program is assessed as an alternative to jail. You pick which days you want to work. We run it 6 days a week. So you pick the schedule, and then you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Got that?
Trying to do when I work from 6 to 4.
What days do you work?
6 days.
You're gonna have to take some days off, but we'll let you spread them out. You don't have to do them today, right? You can schedule.
Oh.
Right. All right. As far as the money, go downstairs, talk about your options down there. Get it paid or get a plan to get it paid.
Oh.
Got it?
Sure.
Good luck.
Do I need?
This gentleman needs a reference or referral for a licensed restoration expert. Would you be able to provide a name?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I covered.
Sorry. Okay, Jamie.
The Sovereign Citizen.